Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So just a little bit of an update. I am feeling a little bit better, still suffering from my pneumonia and my valley fever, and I have like ringing in my ears, so it's kind of hard to hear. So but I have so many boxes that I'm behind on, and today I am doing my Boxycharm Luxe box from December, so bear with me. And let's get into it. And most of you have probably seen this and have gotten past it, so I just wanted to open it. And it was bubbles and glitz, so we're probably past the glitz. It's a new year, and I don't know if you can tell, but my hair looks different. And I was sent for review by Vigorous, and I will leave a link below. It's kind of they sell wigs and hair pieces, and they asked me to review a hair piece. So this is actually the top of it is a hair piece, and then it kind of just blends in with my hair. So I thought it would be fun to try, especially since I haven't been up to and can't go out to get my hair done. So I thought this would be kind of fun just to, I have no idea how to put them on. I've watched so many girls that use hair pieces, but I don't know how they get them to stick. I might have to get the two-sided tape just to get them to stick. But I thought it would be fun to try. But I'll leave a link to the site where you can get these. And they're really not a bad price, so just thought I'd throw that in there. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. Been so long, I don't even remember. The first thing that we have is Reza Be Obsessed Love Leave-In. Is it a conditioner? I'm gonna read the card. Reza Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In. Formulated with this gold infused shield, this leave-in feature 7 mystic ingredients: champagne for high shine, crushed diamonds for brilliance, and I'm assuming that it's a leave-in conditioner. Oh, it's got coconut oil to fortify, black truffle oil, and it retails for $22. So it's got a really nice bottle. That's the cap. So that's our first item. Then we got the Good Jeans by Sunday Riley, and who doesn't love Sunday Riley in their box? And this is, see where this is, Sunday Riley Good Jeans Lactic Acid Treatment. This multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts, and this retails for $85, so that's nice to have. And I think it says it has licorice in there, so there we go. Then we have Brazilian Kiss Tinted Capucho Lip Butter. And since I've been home, my lips have been so chapped. I don't know if it's because of my illness, or I'm drinking so much, or what, but I have been putting stuff on my lips constantly, so I could definitely use that. And that retails for $20. And then we have the tightening, and it's an eye mask. I don't know if it's a leave-on eye mask. See if I can find it. It's the Symbolic London Tightening Eye Mask, and it retails for, does that say $93? Okay. It's good for dark circles, so I'm all for that, but $93, I don't know if I'd pay $93. Now we got this pouch, and if I remember, it had brushes in it. So I hope you guys are all having a great day and a good New Year's. Oh, it feels kind of, got a weird material on it, and ooh, it's a very nice, it's got all those brushes. I'm not going to take them out. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them or gift them or put them in a giveaway, but they're very, very nice. I have so many brushes, and obviously, since I've been ill, I have not been wearing makeup. I mean, this is the most makeup that I have put on. So, and then we have one more thing, two more things. Oh, there's earrings in here. Has there ever been jewelry in Boxycharm? There's these earrings. I don't wear these, but I don't think I've ever seen earrings in Boxycharm. Am I totally losing it? Oh, there's a couple things in here. Okay. Alrighty, then we have a hip dot palette. This is pretty. Let's see if I could. Like green. This is the cover. There's a mirror, so I'm trying not to get that in your face. Some blues and greens. Very, very pretty. I'm not going to swatch these because I don't know if these are my colors. I'm trying to practice with the colors, but I'm not sure if these are my colors. But that's a beautiful palette. And let's see if I can find the palette. The brush set retails for $85, so that's a nice brush set. And the hip dot retails for $30. So there is another palette in here because there's a face palette. So this was a nice box, a little variety of everything, and it's always nice when they include brushes in there, especially when they put in palettes, so you have something to play with. And the Iconic palette, it looks like this. And there's a mirror. I don't know. The colors actually look lighter on the camera, but in person, like that pink, it's really pink. So I don't know if I'd use that one, but I probably would use the other one. So let me know what version you guys received. I got, it ends in 426, and I will leave the total value. That Iconic was $55, and it says it's a new launch. So we got the brushes, and we got the hip dot, and then we got a Sunday Riley, and you can't be mad at Sunday Riley. And this leave-in, which I'm assuming is a conditioner, and the lips, so I can't be mad at that. So overall, I thought it was a nice box. I know I'm opening it a little bit late, but I thought it was definitely worth it. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. And as always, have an awesome day.